Welcome once again to the Daily Message. In this information age, we're all confronted every day, every minute of every day, with literally a blizzard of information and facts. And this abundance or even overabundance of information can confuse us. And so, in the midst of all the information, misinformation, disinformation that comes our way, it becomes our task and our duty to try to seek the truth. One of the ways we can do that is by not just seeking out facts or accepting facts that support what I already believe. But there are times when we need to let the facts and let the truth challenge me, challenge my long-held convictions, ask me or invite me to change the way I think. We need to let the truth change us. We need to let the truth help us form our minds rather than just imposing upon the facts our predisposed narratives. It's so easy to jump to conclusions these days based on only partial information. It's more important, and it's a bigger challenge to us to keep an open mind, to be ready to change, to be ready to be challenged, to be ready to accept a point of view that may not make us comfortable. But that is part of our challenge as Catholic Christians during this time of division. This is one of the ways that we can answer the question, where do we go from here? Thank you once again for watching the Daily Message.